2024, common order, in two matters alone. We have heard all the please record the appearance of all the learned advocates, including the amicus curiae. The following parties are added as respondents in the writ petition, and all of them are represented by the learned advocates. Full stop. The pradhan of the so and so Zilla Parishad is impleaded as a party respondent in this appeal. The details of which
Jilla Parishad is represented by the Samadhipati, not by Pradhan.
And whatever it is, sir, somebody write and give us. And the following party, namely Mr. So-and-so, 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 is impleaded as a respondent in the writ petition. Since the said party, as on date, is absconding and not traceable, despite several criminal cases registered against him, the registry is directed to issue public notice in one leading English and one leading Bengali newspaper having wide circulation throughout the state, informing the said person that he has been a respondent in WPA 4011 of 2024 and is at liberty to enter appearance in the writ petition. Full stop. The learned advocates submitted that a wrong impression has been created as if an interim order has been stay of arrest of the said person has been granted. There is nothing on record in any of the cases which are pending concerning the incidents at Chandesh Kali. There is any stay of the arrest. Therefore, the said person shall be arrested by the concerned police authorities. The learned advocate general submitted that as many as 43 FIRs have been registered, and the earliest of which was registered 4 years ago, and the last of such FIRs was registered on 18th of December 2023. Out of the 43 FIRs, 42 FIRs have, in 42 cases, charge sheet has been laid under various sections of IPC, including section 376. Full stop. Further, in 7 cases of land grabbing, charge sheet has been filed, and on 8th February 2024, 24 cases of land grabbing have been registered. It is rather surprising to note that the incidents in that particular area had been reported to the state police 4 years ago. And it is and it's furthermore surprising that it has taken 4 years for 42 cases to mature into charge sheets. It is not clear as to the manner of investigation and under which the charge sheet has been laid, which aspect will be examined by this court at a later date. Full stop. There is an allegation that the state ministers and politicians affiliated to the ruling dispensation have entered the area despite 144 CRPC. The learned advocate general has clarified that politicians and other functionaries have not visited block number 2 of Sandesh Kali, and they have visited only block number 1. Full stop. Furthermore, there is a reference to an order of stay granted, staying the operation of the order passed under section 144 of the Act. The said order is of no consequence since the said order was confined only to 2 persons. And the same has already been clarified in the intra-court appeal filed by the state, which has been disposed of. Therefore, no person can take advantage of the order passed by the single bench or by the division bench concerning the matter which pertained only and is confined only to 2 of the writ petitioners therein. The learned advocate appearing for one of the petitioners whose writ petition has been filed today submitted that there are several ladies who want to lodge complaint, but they are afraid of going to the camp organized by the police authorities, fearing that they will be exposed to more violence. As and when the said writ petition is listed along with these cases, the court will consider as to whether the legal services authority should be requested to take up such of those cases, and this aspect will be dealt with on the next hearing date.
One clarification, Millard. Millard, Baba, wait a moment.
Appearing the list today. Hope that paper is not with Malad in the virtual meeting. Today a supplementary affidavit is filing. Malad, I am filing today. In the supplementary.
Let me complete the sentence, sir. Mr. Roy Chaudhary, let me complete the sentence, sir. The learned amicus curiae submitted that he may be permitted to go to Sandesh Kali Block 2. For the present, such a visit may not augur well, and such a prayer will be considered on the next hearing date. Yes, Mr. Roy Chaudhary, please have the mic near you.
What happens in the first matter, which was fixed as item number 1, there is a can filed by one with an advocate of this court.
That is not available on file, sir.
Not perhaps with your records, Malad. What happens today? He is filing a supplementary affidavit. In the state supplementary, it was stated that Mr. Shahadat, who is appearing just beside me, he personally had gone there with National Scheduled Tribes Commission and personally visited the spot there. That is.
না না একটু ওয়েট করতে হবে তারা আর তোর কি আজ গাড়ি আছে গাড়ি আছে কিনা বল না 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 তাহলে ছেড়ে দে আমি এখন আরো খুব জরুরি কাজ করছি
Mrs. Dotto to file another supplementary affidavit because she visited personally there.
Supplementary affidavit filed by the advocate who has filed CAN 1 of 2024 is taken on record. Let copies be served on the learned advocates appearing for all the parties in this petition. So-and-so is permitted to file supplementary affidavit in WPA 4011-2024 after serving copies on the learned counsels appearing for the representing the parties in this writ petition.
Yes, only one line, Millard, Mr. Lordship, may kindly Millard add. That in the Sandesh Kali Block 2, out of the entire block, only 15 square kilometer is under 144.
But sir, one thing let us understand, sir. Suppose there is a person is dead. There is going to be a funeral. There are days and time where we can call on the family.
Right.
Probably till the body is there, anybody can walk in. Thereafter, depending upon their convenience, already they are in grief. Throughout the year, people can't be walking into the house and saying, "We are very sad, sir. Your uncle passed away, your father passed away, your mother passed away." Similarly, people are already agitated. And what is the big fun of 100 people going and visiting? Yes, every person coming outside, giving a TV interview. Does it make him a hero? Does it make him a hero?
Right. I quite
see this repetition. We are ready to hear anybody. Even Mr. Vikas Ranjan Bhattacharya, as an officer of the court, he wants to appear, he can appear. Right. But then somebody should have some first-hand information. So let us not do all these things. Let law take its course. Matter, let it be on the track. All these things, constantly people going there, etc., may have a positive effect, may have a double negative effect also. We can't predict. Because those are all section of people who lack exposure. They are not accustomed to city life. And they can't express themselves also, a lot of them.
Right.
Because I being part of legal services team as a practitioner, as well as both in the committee as well as the executive chairman, I visited very, very dense pockets where you will come back. You should be thankful if you are not having a snake bite. Definitely, leech will be there. You will be definitely bitten by the leeches. You will be bleeding. So there are so many areas where people cannot express themselves. Absolutely. Sir, you will be very surprised and shocked. In children may go to school also. Tribal schools are there. But still, they can't express. If they are hungry, they don't know how to... whatever this is available, this is how my life goes on. In fact, another matter, sitting in court 16, I had explained about one case where there is only one school, single teacher school. For 11 years, there is no teacher. No teacher wants to go. And the nearest bus stop from the village is almost 23 kilometers. You will have to trek the hill. And only time people will, officers will visit is during election time. They'll carry all the EMU ballot boxes and walk up the hill. So for today, let it come like this, and we will fix the matter on 4th March.
4th March.
4th March.
Your lordships correctly questioned when they said that, why today everybody is coming with a PIL. On that, I would just like to bring to your lordship's notice that I started working for Sandesh Khali in 2017, your lordship. There is a PIL. Your lordship, I'm giving all the documents. There is a PIL which is also there for a rape of a 62-year-old woman of Sandesh Khali. After that, in 2019, again I came because there was violence in Sandesh Khali.
For today, it's fine. Let your request also be...
My request before your lordship... My request before your lordship is this only, your lordship. Even in the post-poll violence, there were number of petitions which were filed. That is the result that we are not being able to get any kind of solution. So I request before your lordship, if your lordship feels that the petitions are not genuine, kindly dismiss the same so that they can get some solution, they can get some result. This is my humble prayer before your lordship.
My lord, one humble prayer.
Yes, sir.
On the next date, and as anxiety and my lord pathos, it has fallen from your lordship. My lord, I gather several complaints were lodged before police within these days. My lord, whether a report...
All right. Can you file a report?
My lord, yes, my lord, if your lordship permits, my lord, I can.
All right. The learned amicus curiae is permitted to file a report as it is submitted that he has several information regarding various incidents which took place in the concerned area. You file a short one. It can be bullet point form.
My lord, grateful, my lord. Grateful.
Kindly add Mrs. Shushmita Shah Dattu's report.
Yes. I have said that, sir. They will note down, sir. Sir, item 4, you're dealing with this, Sudipto.
Yes, lordship.
Item 4, you delete. You're dealing with this. This has to be heard separately. We'll give it. Okay?
And I'm appearing in person.
Yes. It is obvious. Next.
One clarification, my lord.
Yes,
Is it your lordship's pleasure that we give, my lord, the designation